Here's the car. You can see it's all very nice. Quickly go around each panel of it. It's front wing. See the right round. There's no corrosion at all on it. It's all very nice. Front door. It's all good. Back arch. That's all nice as well. You can see there, the adhesive has come off there a wee bit. I'll just take them off and put back on. Round the back, it's all nice. That's a new seal round the boot lock there. This arch here, it's all good. See, when I took off the body kit, the rear arches were absolutely perfect. Nothing on them at all. The door's all good. Front wing, all good as well. Paintwork's all in nice condition. Bonnet's all nice. Now let me just show you. You can just about see some of the micro blisters there that's happened in the paint. It's not on the wings, it's not on the bonnet, it's not on the doors, even though it was all painted at the same time. It just happens to be, for some reason, up there. It's not bad there at all. Just up, starting to get a bit here. Don't know if you can see it there, micro blistering. So it runs more or less along here. Some of it's not bad, some it's worse than others. That's okay there. It's a little bit on the bottom, just at the window here. Definitely not corrosion. I've no idea why it should just have appeared in the last couple of months when it was painted about 6 months ago. It is on the top of the roof. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it with the camera, but it's on the roof, so you can only see it when you're up close. Let's see the interior of the car. It's all in pretty good condition. Door cards are all very good. Interior's nice. As well as that. All the rest it's nice. Just got that's the parcel shelf. I've just got that there, sitting there just now. It's not hiding anything behind it, don't worry. Front driver's seat, it's pretty good. A little bit of wear starting to come there, and there is a little there just as you get in and out. Got the auxiliary dials there, and the CD. There is a complete CD player. The front face for it's just in the glove box there. I'll just try and start it for you. The keys. So, start straight away there. The lights go out, you can see here. Pressure sits nicely, as does the voltmeter. Don't know if you can maybe see. No, you can't really see. You can feel a little bit of the vibration coming through the steering wheel there from the engine. I'm not quite sure what that is. I'll just pop the bonnet like you see under the bonnet. The engine bay, as you can see, still nice and quiet in there. No oil leaks or anything. Everything was removed off the front of the engine to get the block painted. These wires here that you can see, these ones here, That's just where I haven't cut them and routed them properly for the oil temperature and the oil pressure gauge. That's easy enough to do. I haven't just done that yet. It's all good under here, no any real corrosion. Top of the wings are okay. Now you can see it's been a replacement wing put on there, and my mate never painted under the bonnet, so that'd be fairly easy to blow in with an aerosol, or I've still got the original paint that was painted with. So that's the car. I hope I've shown you enough in the video. It's a very nice looking car. I'll just bring it back, you can get a decent shot of it like that. Front tyre's a little low, I've not used it since the end of December. So there you go, hope this is enough. Cheers.